a bank, Governor, if we were a bank, what is the total asset base for our city? It's in the trillions of shillings, you know. So it doesn't make sense. It's an administrative decision, yes, but we would want to see that conversation. I really doubt that a bank that has a customer base or deposit base of trillions of shillings would not be able to extend those facilities.
Oh, they completely refused. Completely.
Okay, that's what we're saying.
They completely refused.
I think
we just need the evidence.
We'll show you.
That is all we are saying.
Yeah. Chair, I'm worried that a number of our questions have taken us off the questions on the list to the extent that we have not reached 50%. I would suggest that we go through so that we don't reinvite on the very questions. If we have to finish in an hour, we allow the governor to go through what we asked him, then we get our comments, then we finish, because we are at item 5 of CIDP and we still have another more than, we are not 50%. So if we can allow him to go through all the remaining, then we can make comments.
I thought you have done almost everything.
We have, Chair. And in fact, that question arose out of a conversation we had here about the collections from the hospitals. So all we are saying is that we should see the evidence. I doubt anybody sitting on that side banks with CDN. I'll be very shocked.
Chair, let's not personalize this question.
I'm just saying.
You know, I don't know what grade the senator has.
I'm just saying.
It's not fair for the senator of Nairobi to take over the committee. Please allow us. Allow us to go through our program the way.
This is not about Elgeyo Marakwet. This is about Nairobi. When your governor is here, you will take over.
We also live here. We also live in Nairobi.
She's not from
So you are not answerable to the
She's not from Elgeyo Marakwet.
Who do you answer?
We cannot allow the senator of Nairobi to divert us from our agenda.
I understand you,
As a committee chair, can you guide us and we finish our agenda?
Chair, I don't think anybody in this committee should be a gatekeeper for anybody.
Correct.
We are here to get the facts, and the facts will set us free.
I know for a fact Kamar doesn't bank with CDN.
I
don't bank with CDN.
I don't.
You can't put public money in places where you can't put private
Why are
money.
we insisting on number 5? We still have questions that have not been answered.
No. Hold on.
Allow us to finish.
Okay. Order first. Switch off your mic first, Professor. Please, with all due respect. Well, Professor, please switch off your let's have some normalities. What is the issue? The issue is we're almost done. The only thing I'm seeing is this business to do with the Dish County School Feeding Program.
Exactly.
That's what you're asking. Can I ask you questions just so fast? Because now our time is over. Please do that. And our colleagues have worked out. There's no problem. Proceed.
Are we asking questions before he presents them?
Yes, he has given his presentation. I think he has finished, isn't it?
Yeah, I think